All right, he's over here. We're gonna walk around this Sundowner trailer. We just got it in, show you some of the options on it, take a look at it. Now this is the Charter 2-horse bumper pull. It's a Sundowner trailer. It's an all aluminum trailer. This is a nice trailer. They put a lot of options on this standard. You've got a roughly 16 foot. You've got a tack room here up front with a window in it. There's actually multiple windows, one in the door, two in the front in the V-nose, and then another window going towards the back towards the horses. You've got your saddle racks in there, some rubber flooring, beer holder here on the door. Now from the back here, you've got the running boards down the sides. You've got the aluminum mag wheels, torsion axles. These are 3,500 pound axles with the upgraded 6-lug wheels. You've got the 225, 75, R15 tires on there. Now these are also Goodyear endurance radial tires, so it's a good American-made tire, high-quality tire. You've got a door on each side for the tack or for the horse room here. You've got a cut through here where you can cut all the way through. This door here removes or swings around, and you got your padded bars up here for the horses. Now, like I said, this is their nice horse trailer. It's a little bit bigger than their normal one. You got 7 foot wide. It's 7 foot tall also, so it fits a lot of them warm blood horses, the bigger horses like that. Now you got all rubber on the floor. It's rubber covering up over top of aluminum, so you can pull that rubber off, clean the mats, clean the floors, spray it out with a water hose. Like I said, straight load. Pull the pins here, pull these out. You've got rubber mats on the walls, rubber padding for your horses too, keep them all safe, secure, as well as the divider here in the middle. Got bars on the windows to help protect these windows. All these windows are sliding windows, so they'll open and close, get you some airflow in here, as well as 2 airflow vents up here up top, to where you can suck some air in coming down the road, give the horses some more air. Like I said, we do a full line of aluminum horse trailers. We got Sundowner 2-horse, 3-horse, 4-horse, all in stock now. These are all aluminum frame trailers, so they're super lightweight, built to last for years. Come see us today. We're in Byron, Georgia, 478-654-5350.